Okay, so I am going to do problem 1b, which is 4/5 times 5/8. I can follow the algorithm and just simply multiply my numerators. 4 times 5 would give me 20, and my denominators, 5 times 8, would give me 40. Or I can look to cross-divide. Remember, cross-dividing is going to be a far more efficient strategy to use when you're working with bigger numbers. Right now, we've been working with relatively small numbers. So I'm looking at 4/5 times 5/8 to see if I can cross-divide. When I look, I can see that I can divide both the numerator and denominator by a factor of 5. If I divide 5 by 5 in my numerator here, I'm going to get 1. And if I divide 5 by 5 in my denominator here, I'm also going to get 1. And it's a whole lot easier to multiply by ones. Now, I'm going to continue looking to see if I can cross-divide any place. I can see that I have a 4 in my numerator and an 8 in my denominator. Now I know that I can divide both of these by a factor of 4. So 4 divided by 4 would give me 1, and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So now I have just cross-divided as much as I possibly can. I'm going to continue by following the algorithm of multiplying my numerators. 1 times 1 gives me 1, and 1 times 2 gives me 2. So right now I can see that 4/5 times 5/8 is equal to 1/2. Now notice in my original answer where I didn't cross-divide, I could then turn around and simplify this fraction by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 20, which would still give me that answer of 1/2. Now, keep in mind that if a problem tells you to simplify, the only correct answer would be 1/2. If it doesn't say simplify, you're all set as long as you have an equivalent fraction.